honey badger's catching his bait. We gotta fly. First one she swatted on her leg. And we're catching fish now. Hey y'all, it is Tuesday, May the 30th, 2017, the 60th day of my thru hike on the Appalachian Trail. So 2 nights ago, my phone went dead and I woke up with nothing. I was ecstatic. I needed a break. No map, no guide, forecast, no text, phone calls, YouTube, Facebook, no camera. It was awesome. And I ended up at this lovely pond yesterday afternoon after about 14 miles, and my head was not in the right place. So I put my mat out and took the afternoon. Honey badgers showed up. We smashed some flies and caught a few fish with them. Had a great sunset, and I'm headed to the Woods Hole Hostel today. My foot's feeling a little better, but I want to take it easy. The anxiety of trying to put miles in every day has been bothering me, and I've got to chill out because at very worst I can flip-flop and go up to Maine and walk back down through the summer. So on we go. What happened to your trekking pole?
I found one.
So you replaced another stick?
Yeah, I did, yeah. Started off with none. This has been Old Faithful actually, it's very good. It's also a weapon. If I use properly with a couple of hair ties that I found, just in case there's any critters. Found this one, broke it, turned it into a laser gun. So, 2 kind of weapons really.
What's your trail name?
My trail name is Wick.
When did you start hiking?
I started March 22nd on the approach trail.
And you went the right way?
Yeah, yeah.
So, why, you want to tell me why you're hiking?
I'm in between jobs and I'm just trying to figure out like where I should be going next in life, so I figured the AT was a good place to do that.
Soul searching.
Yep.
Very nice. There's a lot of us out there.
Yep.
Out here.
I can hear the sky coming down, whoa, I can hear the lights going out somehow. Well, I don't feel good right now. Hey.
What's your trail name?
My name is Pat, with a symbol, something akin to Prince. I'm hiking the ECT, starting from Key West all the way up to New Brunswick.
Okay.
5,400 miles long. I've done at least 1,700 miles.
Do you know Scallywag and One Gallon?
I've heard of their names. I've never met them. There's a guy named Big Jim also out there.
Okay.
And a lady named Cerelia started before I did even, and she's already in Canada.
Nice.
And there's somebody named Ashes out there. So
oh, Ashes is doing the...
As far as I know, that's what I've been told. I've
Okay.
never met these people.
Well, Ashes is right around here, within
He
20
is.
miles. So.
I have no idea what he looks like or who he is. So maybe somebody will introduce him to me.
So you got some experience with the kilt. Can you tell me how it works?
It's faded. It's been through the swamps down in Florida. It's real easy. It's just a wraparound. So it's basically not that big a deal to deal with.
What's the advantage?
The advantages are that I like it.
Okay.
It's, you know, once you go there, you just never go back. I've worn shorts and pants and trousers all my life, and I'm an old man now, and I really like this freedom.
I've heard the airflow for chafing.
Oh, there's all sorts of airflow. And you'd have to marry me to find out what's underneath.
All right, well, thanks. Have a great day.
Blessings.
I'm Legion.
And y'all have hiked the AT before? Is that
We
correct?
have.
What brings you back?
When I hiked in 2015, this trail became my home. Then went back to the real world and I couldn't assimilate, so I had to come back.
What about another trail?
I really want to do this one again. I did a flip-flop last time, no bow now, so now I gotta do a Sobo hike. But I'll do as many as I can eventually.
Nice.
What's up?
What's up? What's your
I'm Legion.
and why are you rehiking the AT?
Because it's an awesome trail. It's a lot of fun. It's a great community. I've ran a hostel for the past 4 years up in the Whites, so had to get back into the community and really appreciate hikers again and hiking and all that fun stuff.
Nice. Thank you. You have a good day.
No problem. We are
Honey Badger, what do you have to say about 1,000 kilometers? Damn Europeans.
That seems really
Here's your mark, Bargy.
1,000 kilometres. We don't use kilometres in England, we use miles.
Oh yeah. Forgot about that. There's some famous hostels along the trail. We're headed down to Woods Hole right now.
Yeah.
Kincora was the first one I wanted to hit.
Yeah.
Four Pines is next. Do you have any other famous hostel suggestions beyond that?
Hikers Welcome, Glencliff, New Hampshire, obviously. That's the one that I ran for 4 years. Green Mountain House in Manchester Center, Vermont, owned by Jeff Tossig. He's a really great guy. There's, what's the name of it? Bearded Woods in Connecticut, run by Hudson. He's a really good guy as well, too. Let's see.
I've heard of Shaw's.
Oh, Shaw's in Monson. Monson's a really, really great hiker-friendly town. So anywhere up there. But yeah, Shaw's, at least go for the breakfast.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
What's your trail name?
It's BC, Belgian chocolate.
Nice. And has the AT changed you in any way?
Not at this moment, so I'm currently surviving in one day to another day, so I have no time left to think about other stuff or what I'm going to do after the AT.
Nice. Thank you.
All right.
Is this my photo for my dad?
No, this is video of you climbing down.
Take a picture for There you.
Well done. Okay, we made it to Sugar Run Gap. Smooth 7 miles, cruising into Woods Hole. We just helped them slide that platform underneath this hut. And they're trying to get it the rest of the way in.
Yeah.
What's your trail name?
Trail name is Double Wide.
And when did you start the trail?
Started the trail on April 24th.
So you're cranking out like huge miles. What's your motivation?
Well, really, it's just you know, I'm a little tight financially, so you know, I'm just trying to make as many miles as I can every day, so I spend as little money as possible.
Can we see your hiking shoes?
Oh God. My hiking shoes. So this one has a hole in it, but that one. And then this one. Right, you need to get a full 360 on these.
So when I walk, my foot kind of goes in a little bit. It's weird. Like, when I walk, it goes like this. And I always get weird looks from people when I'm walking down the trail, and I kind of see them like go.
Do you have big steps that you have to take?
What do you mean?
Like the extra lot, because otherwise that falls really good.
It just walk, when I walk in
Swing your
town,
arms
it's really
and
bad
look
because
down.
the sidewalk kind of hits it. So it's like walk like this.
Have you considered going barefoot?
I tried, but this is me when I go barefoot down the trail. It's like staring at the ground, trying not to step. But yeah, some YouTube probably time.
Well, the trail provides, so.
And the parents are also going to provide this weekend. So.
Y'all getting a massage?
On the deck? Yeah.
I love it.
Gonna videotape you.
Oh yeah. He's like my favorite.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
Give us a tour.
Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god, wait, you gotta see. Wait, look, someone tried to like recreate.
Nice.
See this one. That one's beautiful.
Chestnut Knob.
That was a cool shelter.
Yeah. Did you stay there?
Mm-mm. Look at that dude.
Show
Looks
us.
like a fallopian tube of a woman.
That's a pink lady slipper.
Yeah. What does that mean? Oh, a flower. Okay. Tacos here.
Nice.
Dirty duck. Fur.
Tater tot
Covers.
bags.
Should we read it? I don't know if I'll find a better refuel on trail than the cookie bars and smoothies here. It's really neat. Simba.
Simba was here yesterday.
Oh,
No, this morning.
Today's the 30th. Fish ones.
What's for dinner? Bacon. What's up, guys? How are y'all? Pretty dirty in there. Alright, it's dinner time. We're ready. Neapolitan made it. Hey! Thank you. Everyone's helping out now. What's up, cats?
As I'm flipping the page, I'll say, oh, yeah, there's the smile.
You told me you do a lot of flip-flopping.
I follow no man's path, only God's will. I haven't got to worry about myself anymore. I feel like God's there with me every step, every single step of the way, north and south, whichever way I end up going. my goal isn't so much to go to a finish or termination. It's just to follow what God's wanting me to do for this given day.
Fucking hippie shit. Fucking hippie shit. We're singing the drone. Singing the drone. Oh, whoa. Hippies in the back door.